Okay, so here are some extra examples for section 11.3, some of the problems went over in class. So the first problem, find the area of the circle drawn. I know it doesn't come out very well. It's number 10 from the book. Curling. So the sport of curling, that's why I picked this problem. So area of a circle is pi r squared. This circle here has a diameter of 8, so the radius is 4. So pi times 4 squared, area equals 16 pi feet squared. If you want to know what the decimal approximation is, grab a calculator. Next problem. Find the indicated measure, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So we're looking for the diameter. Now that's important to us. We pay attention to that because area is pi r squared. So when we solve this, we'll get 68 equals pi times the radius squared. Well, I'm going to get the radius. I'll have to double it for the diameter. So the first thing I have to do is divide that by pi. So 68 divided by pi. 21.65 r squared. Take the square root. 21.65 square root of that. Here's a little trick. You can do second square root and then second answer, and it holds the previous number. So we get 4.65. And then double it. So times 2. And that gives us 9.3. So 9.3 centimeters approximately. Next example. Whoa, this is in my way. Clear and move. Find the area of the sector shaded. I know it doesn't come out the greatest, but the shaded region is right here. So area of a sector, angle over 360 times pi r squared. Our angle is 46 degrees. Pi times 5 squared. So 46 divided by, let me put that in parentheses. 46 divided by 360 times pi times 5 squared. And that's 10.03. So basically 10.0. There we go. And then last example from class. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 2 more examples. Look at my notes here. Yeah, 2 more examples. So area equals 94 square inches of the shaded region. What's the angle? Well, area equals angle over 360 times pi times r squared. So 94 equals angle over 360 times pi times 14 squared. Okay. Now for this, the first thing I would actually do is multiply both sides by 360 to cancel it off. Okay. So 360 times 94. Which is 33,840. Equals, I'm just going to call it x for the angle, pi times 14 squared. And then I'm just going to divide everything by pi times 14 squared, which 14 squared is 196. Okay. Now I got to be careful with this, because when I do 33,840, to do 33,840 divided by pi times 196. And I got to put the pi times 196 in parentheses, so I divide them both by that. And that gives me 54.95, so let's just say 55 degrees. 55 degrees. All right, now, next example, 32. Okay, we're finding the area of the shaded region. What we have to realize is that the area is really the square minus the circle. Okay, so area equals side squared minus pi r squared. Well, this is the diameter, this 18, so the radius is actually just 9. The side is 18. So area equals 18 squared minus pi times 9 squared, which the exact answer is 324 minus 81 pi square feet. That's the exact answer, because 18 squared is 324, 9 squared is at 81. But if you don't like that answer, 324 minus 18 pi is 81 pi. So that seems too big. 324 minus 81 pi. Excuse me. I was like, that seems like way too much area. There we go. 69.53. That is really sloppy. 69.53 square feet. Okay.